Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best drones of 2020? Here are my full reviews of the best drones of 2020 so before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. LF631 Brushless Motor Drone. Link on the description. Real-time transmission, ESCHD camera. Drones equipment. Number 2. SereneLife Wi-Fi FPV drone. Link on the description. 720p focus camera. Good propeller shaft with rechargeable battery. Number 3. DJI FPV combo. Link on the description. Drones equipment. Drones battery with charger port. Number 4. Force 1 Scoot Hand Operator Drone. Hands-free motion sensor. Scoot Force 1 RC. Number 5. Force 1 UFO 400 MiniDrone. Focus lens camera with power battery. Fun LED light. Link on the description.